Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing RAW files and immediately culling to avoid wasting time. Open your chosen workspace, apply a quick 1-5-star or color label to the keeper shots, and reject obvious misses. Once done, limit your edit set to the top 10-20% so you can focus. Make sure to keep originals and work on copies or virtual edits. This gives you a clean, manageable batch and ensures consistent decisions before you move into detailed adjustments. Now tackle tone and color. Adjust exposure, highlights, and shadows to recover stage detail without crushing blacks. Once balanced, set white balance to correct color casts from gels and stage lights. Sometimes warming or cooling selectively works best. Next, use HSL to isolate skin tones and prominent colors, reduce saturation of distracting hues, and boost the performer's key colors for impact. Make local adjustments with masks or brushes if backgrounds need separate treatment, so the subject remains the focal point. Finish with noise reduction, sharpening, and output settings. Apply selective noise reduction to shadows and underexposed areas while preserving highlight and skin detail, then apply modest sharpening, about 0.5 to 1.5 depending on resolution, and use local sharpening on eyes and instruments. Once done, dodge and burn subtly to guide the eye. Export 2 presets: a resized sRGB web file and a high-res Pro photo or Adobe RGB for print, embedding the color profile. If something looks off,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.